Transmitter status indicator descriptions. The two indicators on the top are the system status indicator and recording status LED. If the recording status LED is off, the transmitter is not recording independently. If the recording status LED is solid red, the transmitter is recording independently. When the LED pulses red, the transmitter has been muted. If the system status indicator blinks green slowly, the transmitter is not yet linked to the receiver. If the indicator blinks green quickly, the transmitter is linking. When the indicator is solid green, the transmitter is linked with the receiver. When the system status indicator blinks blue quickly, it means that Bluetooth is connecting. If the indicator is solid blue, it indicates that a Bluetooth device is connected. When the system status indicator blinks yellow, it means that noise reduction is enabled while the transmitter is not linked to the receiver or other mobile device. When the system status indicator is solid yellow, it indicates that noise reduction is enabled while the transmitter is linked to the receiver or a mobile device.